Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. So this is a paint set I got from Partisan 2019 last Sunday, and it's a set from Andrea Color. Now I've not heard of Andrea Color until I saw this on one of the stands at Partisan, and they've got various sets of paints that come in boxes of 6. So this is the Waffen SS Camo paint set for spring colours, perfect for Platanenmuster, Palmenmuster, Eichenlaubmuster patterns. They've got khaki paint set, brown paint set, Waffen SS, Splinter Camo, P-Dot Camo, various other sorts of coloured ranged sets and sets specifically for individual uniform types. So I thought I'd give one of these a go. This is it. Cost £18, so £3 for a set of paints. That's the website there, and on the back we get a little look at what we can expect. So I've got a little painting guide showing the brown, light green, medium green, dark green, and how to apply it. If I can get any more light on the subject. Without getting the reflections, but hopefully that will give you an idea of what we're looking at. So, inside the box are our paints. So they come in the little squeeze tube thingies, very similar to the Vallejo. In fact, not identical, but almost identical. So we've got light colour number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 1 will be the brown undercoat, or the base layer, should I say. Then we get the light green, the medium green, dark green, light, and shadow. We've got a sheet of what have we got. So that's a replication of the front of the box, and looks like some bits and pieces from YouTube trailers, vid painting videos, some more of their products, and then on the back we've got the instructions. So base colour and then shadow, light green stains in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 languages, contouring, dark green stains, glaze, light highlights, and then outline. So it looks like a fairly comprehensive little guide on how to paint the camouflage. And then this is the sort that you can paint with this set. So you've got the Platanenmuster, the Palmenmuster, and the Eichenlaubmuster oak leaf. So there we have it, Andrea Color. I don't know whether I've got well, I probably have got similar colours in Vallejo, as I've got quite a large Vallejo collection, but I thought I'd give one of these specific sets a go. There's a lot of companies now doing the little sets of the different shades of particular colours, and it may well save mixing up, spending time mixing paints from some of the ones that I've already got. So I'll give that a go when I can get some Waffen SS back on the paint table, and maybe do an update then. Thanks for watching.